Hello and welcome. So we have another question on the board and I'm going to show you how to solve this question, or you can pause the video here and try to solve the question and let me know your answer in the comments, or you can just follow along as I solve. Solution. So we have a squared minus b squared equals 64, and we have ab equals 8. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So we're going to start with equation 1. A squared minus b squared equals 64. So the question is asking us to find a plus b. Okay, so let's start with squaring both sides. Now, if we decide to square both sides, the left hand side is looking like a minus b squared, and we know that this is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Now, our a is a squared and our b is b squared. So let's plug in these values into the equation. So now, what we have here as a squared minus b squared square now becomes a squared squared plus b squared squared minus 2a squared b squared, and this is equal to 64. Okay, so now this becomes a raised to the power 4 plus b raised to the power 4 minus 2ab squared equals, this was squaring both sides, 64 squared. Okay, so let us move minus 2ab squared to the right hand side. Then it becomes 64 squared plus 2ab squared. Now we know that our AB is equal to 8. Okay, so we're going to plug in 8 into the brackets. So this becomes a4 plus b raised to the power 4 equals 64 squared plus 2 8 raised to the power 2. So a raised to the power 4 plus b raised to the power 4 is equal to 64 squared plus 2 times 64. Alright, we can factor out 64 on the right hand side, so this becomes 64 into 64 plus 2. So now we have that a raised to the power 4 plus b raised to the power 4 is equal to 64 times 66. Let's call this equation 3. So now we know that a raised to the power 2 plus b raised to the power 2 all squared is equal to a raised to the power 4 plus b raised to the power 4 plus 2ab squared. Now, we know what a raised to the power 4 plus b raised to the power 4 is, which is 64 times 66. And we know what ab is. Ab is 8. So now we have a squared plus b squared raised to the power 2 equals 64 times 66 plus 2 into 8 squared. So a squared plus b squared raised to the power 2 is equal to 64 times 66 plus 2 times 64. Now, on the right hand side, we can factor out 64. Okay, so this becomes a squared plus b squared all squared equals 64 into 66 plus 2. So this is a squared plus b squared squared equals 64 times what? 68. Okay, so to get rid of the square on the left hand side, we supply square roots to both sides, right? So this now becomes square root of a squared plus b squared squared equals 64 times 68 all squared plus or minus. So 2 cancels the square roots, and we have a squared plus b squared equals plus or minus root of 64 times root of 68. Now we know that root of 64 is 8, right? And then what about 68? So let's break this down. 2 here is 34, 2 here is 17, 17 is 1. So 4 times 17. So this is the same thing as the root of 4 times 17. So a squared plus b squared is equal to plus or minus 8 times the root of 4 times 17. So a squared plus b squared is equal to plus or minus 8 root 4 root 17. Okay, now we have that a squared plus b squared equals plus or minus 8 times the root of 4 is 2 times root of 17. A squared plus b squared is equal to plus or minus 16 root 17. So here we have 2 answers, right? We have that a squared plus b squared is equal to plus 16 root 17, and we have that a squared plus b squared is equal to minus 16 root 17. So we're going to reject the negative 1 because of this negative sign there, and we're going to accept the one with a positive sign. So now we have that a squared plus b squared is equal to 16 root 17. Let's say equation 4, I guess. We had equation 3 up here, right? So the question says find a plus b. We're very close to the answer. So now we know that a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. We know what a squared plus b squared is. We just found it, 16 root 17. And we know what ab is, 8, right? So a plus b all squared is equal to a squared plus b squared is 16 root 17 plus 2 into brackets 8. So a plus b all squared is equal to 16 root 17 plus 8 times 2 is 16. And we can see that we can factor out 16 from here. So a plus b squared is equal to 16 into root of 17 plus 1. Now, to find a plus b, we need to get rid of this square, and that is by supplying square roots. Okay, so now we have the square root of a plus b all squared equals the square root of, so plus or minus square root of 16 root 17 plus 1. So these two cancel square roots, and we have a plus b equals plus or minus root 16 times the root of root 17 plus 1, bracket close. So a plus b is equal to plus or minus root of 16 is what? 4. because 4 times 4 is 16. Then root of 17 plus 1. Okay, so therefore a plus b is equal to plus or minus 4 root of 17 plus 1. And this is our final answer. Okay, so if you learned something new today, make sure that you like this video, and if you love to see videos like this, please make sure to subscribe to this channel, and because you're going to be getting more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye bye.